welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated on our new videos. So for today's vlog, I will be sharing you guys some useful tips on how you can start your freelancing career or your work from home job as a beginner. But before all of this, I just wanted to ask you guys how you've been doing since the pandemic started. I hope you are all doing great, okay? So for those who are asking me what kind of job I've been doing as a freelancer. Well, I am currently working in a dropshipping company which is based in the US. So I handle their social media sites and pages as their social media marketing and advertising manager, and also an e-commerce specialist for their selling sites. So guys, I will be sharing you my personal experience as a freelancer, a work-from-home mom, a full-time mom, and a housewife, and what are the best practices on how to be an effective one, okay? But before all of that, let's discuss first the top 5 best freelancing or work-from-home jobs you can try as a beginner while you can work in the comfort of your home. So if you are eager to learn more, just keep on watching. Number 5, graphic designer. As a graphic designer, your job responsibility is to create a visual concepts using visual computer softwares or by hand. So they develop the overall layout and production designs for most applications such as magazines, brochures, advertisements, and reports. So if you are a beginner, you can be in an entry-level job or a junior graphic designer. So you must at least be knowledgeable in photo editing, logo making, creating or editing illustrations in Illustrator. So one of the skills needed here is that you need to build compositions with the type and image for the advertisement, depending on what your client wants. Syempre guys, as a graphic designer, dapat may alam kang gamitin yung mga photo editing softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Pixlr, InDesign, Dreamweaver, and the like. So in this type of job, you need skills like this. So the more skills you acquire, the higher the chance you get a client. So guys, I've been receiving a lot of questions from you, like where can we apply as a junior graphic designer? So I will be elaborating the top 4 of my list that are an international freelance job marketplace. Okay? Number 1 will be the freeup.com. Second, Fiverr. Third, Upwork. And lastly will be the hubspot.com. So guys, I totally recommend the following websites that don't have a local office, but many Filipino freelancers find work through these companies and marketplaces. So guys, dito ako nakahanap ng very first client ko, and I assure you that a lot of clients here are legit and registered. Alright? Next one will be the websites that are Filipino-owned or they have a Philippine-based office here in the Philippines. First one will be the Remote Task PH. Second, Freelancer PH. Third, Bizmate Philippines. And lastly will be the Online Jobs PH. So guys, I highly recommend that you sign up here because they totally focuses on hiring Filipino freelancers even if you don't have experience yet on freelancing. Alright? So the estimated salary of a junior graphic designer will be around 10 to 20,000 a month depending on your experience or if it's an hourly or per project basis. Okay? Number 4, data entry. In this type of job role, it involves entering data from various sources into the company's computer system. So you are required to efficiently manage a larger amount of information that is often sensitive or confidential. So guys, ito yung mga skills na need mong i-acquire before ka mag-apply as a data entry encoder. First, you need to have a good written and communication skills. Second, fast and proficient typing speed. Third, high levels of concentration. And lastly, basic software knowledge. So guys, as a data entry encoder, dapat more on a proofreader ka and very accurate sa iyong typing skills. Kasi kadalasan ng mga i-encode mo dito ay more on personal informations that was gathered from different surveying companies. Okay? So next will be the job responsibilities of a data entry encoder. First, you are required to maintain database by entering new and updated customer and account information. Second, you need to establish entry priorities. Third, you are required to process information source by reviewing data for deficiencies. And lastly, you are required to process data for computer entry by compiling and sorting informations. Okay? So guys, sa trabahong ito, ang basic salary mo will be around 40 to 50 pesos per hour. Pero the cons of this job is basically not permanent. Syempre, nauubos din yung mga data na i-encode mo. And of course, expect it to not be much of a higher pay. But I totally recommend this job for those who are looking for a part-time or for those who wants to earn money on the side. Okay? So, ang basis ng iyong earnings will be pay per task. Which ang ibig sabihin ay kikita ka lamang kapag may mga enter kang data sa inyong database or may ibibigay sa inyong task ang inyong company. Okay? So guys, I will be elaborating the sites where you can apply as a data entry encoder. Okay? First one will be remote task. Second, Upwork. Third, Freelancer. 4, micro workers. 5, APEN. 6, online typing jobs. 7, Kendall Creek Communication. 8, Amazon MTurk. 9, Work Market. 10, Indeed. 11, Capital Typing. 12, Click Workers. And lastly will be the Dion Data Solutions. So guys, these are the websites where you can apply as a data entry encoder. So I made a research about this before I include it in my blog to make sure that it is legit and registered. So guys, it may not be much of a higher pay, but it will be a great stepping stone for you to start your home-based career. Okay? So the pay will be sent through PayPal, TransferWise, or banking transfers. Alright? Number 3, BPO industry. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with BPO, or business process outsourcing, or what we so-called call center agencies. So their main job is to act of outsourcing some aspects of your business operation to a third-party vendor or a service provider. So a BPO call center is a team of outsourced agents who usually handle incoming and outgoing calls for other businesses. So guys, there are two types of BPO. First will be outbound and next one will be inbound. What is outbound? If you are assigned here, your job responsibility is to initiate a call in behalf of a call center or a client. So outbound calls are typically made for prospective customers and usually focuses on sales, lead generations, telemarketing, and fundraising. However, in inbound call, it is a total opposite of outbound from the word itself. So the customer will be the one who will initiate a call. And dito na papasok guys yung tinatawag nating CSR or TSR. First, what is CSR or Customer Service Representatives? So they are the ones who will provide or suggest product or service information and also resolve product and service problems. Okay? Next one will be the TSR or Technical Service Representatives. So they are the ones who will assist you in your technical problems, especially if may issues ka sa inyong computer or hardwares. Alright? So guys, halimbawa, ang mga internet service providers, meron silang mga sariling call center agencies where their customer can reach out to them for their concerns or their complaints about their internet services. Okay? I've worked in a call center before, pero outbound siya. Expected mo na nakakapagod, nakaka-stress, kahit nakaupo ka lang, especially kapag may mga nakausap kang very irate na customers. But it was a very good start for me since it was my very first time working in a call center before, and it helps me boost my confidence into engaging with other people and also communicate using English language. So I highly recommend this job for you guys. As long as you know how to use a computer and you know how to converse in English very well, then pwede ka nang mag-apply dito. Okay? So, get your CV updated and apply now. Especially those companies are hiring aspiring work-from-home agents. Okay? So, the basic salary of a call center agent will be around 15,000 and up depending on your experience. So, the only disadvantage of being a call center agent is because it is one of the most demanding and most stressful job out there. So, the agents are prone to experience burnout and stress due to the nature of this job. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala guys, kasi lahat naman ng trabaho ay mahirap. Kailangan lang mahalin yung trabaho, and of course, samahan nyo ng sipag, tiyaga at determinasyon. Okay? Para sa ating pamilya naman yung ginagawa natin, di ba? Number 2, virtual assistant. So guys, a VA or a virtual assistant is an independent contractor who provides administrative services to a client while operating outside the client's office. So a virtual assistant typically works from home and can access the necessary planning documents such as shared calendars remotely. So of course, you need the basic skills to enter this job. When you are a beginner, you need to make sure that everything is well prepared. Be confident and trust in yourself that you can find a client. But be careful with the clients who are scammers. So make sure to do some research and before lending your personal or banking information and also before signing any contracts. Syempre guys, dapat maging maingat kayo sa pagbibigay ng inyong mga personal informations kasi very sensitive yan at pwedeng magamit ng mga mapagsamantala. So if you have any doubts sa inyong credibility ng inyong client, pwede nyo silang ipa-legit check dito sa mga following Facebook groups na ito on my left side. Yan. So, these groups was created for those who are working from home or freelancers. And open din sila guys for newbies and beginners who are aspiring to work from home. Okay? So guys, a virtual assistant have more specific jobs based on their particular skills. So, here are the skills you need to learn before applying as a virtual assistant. But this job generally requires you to do the following tasks. First, tech savvy. You need to have a wide range of computer skills and know the most commonly used programs. Second, superior organizational skills. Of course, you need to make sure that all of the important files and documents are well organized. Third, communication skills. Since you are working remotely, you need to be adept in communicating by phone and email. And lastly, multitasking. As a virtual assistant, you need to be attentive and can be comfortable enough into jumping from one task to another. Be flexible, ika nga. Okay? So guys, these are the websites where you can apply as a virtual assistant. So first, Fiverr. Second, FreeUp. Third, Upwork. And lastly will be the hotspot.com. So, na-mention ko na ito before dito sa very first part ng ating vlog. Okay? So, I highly recommend these websites where you can apply as a virtual assistant kasi lahat ng clients dito are legit and registered. Alright? So, you can simply showcase your skills by fixing your resume and keeping it updated. And of course, be honest with the skill set you have. Okay? Honesty is the best policy. And strive more para makahanap ka ng the best client mo na pwedeng bigay sa'yo ng best experience as a virtual assistant and as a freelancer. Okay? So, last but not the least, online teaching or ESL tutor. So, I know a lot of you guys are familiar with this one. Do you know anyone who works as an ESL teacher? Before anything else, let's discuss it first. First, what is ESL? So, the definition of ESL is English as second language. So, as an ESL teacher, your job responsibility is to instruct students into reading, writing, and conversing with a focus on cultivating conversational and job-related communication skills. So, mga bansa, guys, na madalas mag-hire ng English tutors are from China, Korea, and Japan. So, they hire Filipino English tutors to help them out with their communication skills. And alam naman natin guys na Filipinos are bilingual and can easily adapt to their surroundings. And also, Filipinos are multi-talented and I am very proud knowing about it. Okay? So guys, kahit hindi ka pag-graduate or if you are a professional teacher who wants to earn money on the side, then I highly recommend that you apply as an ESL teacher. So I know some friends and colleagues who works on this field. And I also made the research about this one. So the pay is high for an hourly rate. And also, you can enjoy working in the safety and the comfort of your home. So guys, ESL teaching is more on an hourly basis. So the pay usually ranges from 70 to 120 pesos per hour. Okay? So, here are the websites where you can apply as an ESL teacher. Okay? So, on my right side, ito yung nasa right side ko, yung mga pangalan ng mga websites na pwede nyong pag-sign upan at pwede nyong pag-applyan bilang isang online teacher. Okay? So, I highly recommend this job for those who aims to work as an ESL teacher at home. But don't worry because you don't need to be neutral or to be in an American accent to suit for this job. So as long as you know how to converse in English very well, then you are perfectly fit. Okay? So that's it for today, guys. I hope na nakatulong itong video sa inyo para maumpisahan nyo na ang inyong freelancing career. So if you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to keep you posted on our future videos. So, huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa kasi gano'n naman talaga ang buhay, 'di ba? Kailangan niyo talagang lumaban at mag-push through para ma-improve niyo ang inyong lifestyle at ang inyong buhay, 'di ba? I wish you all the best of luck and stay safe, okay?